Hello, hello, hello again. So I'm once again too excited to wait to get home. This package is actually late. Ooh, child, yeah, I need to get my nails redone. This was supposed to come in last week. It just came in today. There was a hiccup with UPS, which, it's fine. Everyone's shipping everything everywhere right now. So can't be too upset with delays, but considering it was just traveling within California, I'm like, dang. But anyways, I have an unboxing from one of my favorite places, Fashion File. And I just went and picked it up from my, my private mailbox. My husband and I live, we get our mail there and at our home, but I guess one of these years we're going to consolidate, but we haven't done it so far. We've been together almost 10 years. We've been married 3, and that's the mailbox I had before I met him, so he'll be all right. Before we combined homes. But anyways, so this is going to be a piece of the ash, the embarrassment. Oh, well, too late now. Y'all done seen it. So, this is going to be a piece of jewelry. And as you can see, Fashion File. Oh, wait. Oh, there it is. Yeah. They give you the usual accoutrements. The little pink, it's really pink and purple. Confetti. The Fashion File nail file, and then this will be the receipt inside here. I've ordered so many things from Fashion File, it's like, Well, I guess not everyone has. I guess I should open it. Okay. Let's see. Doing this with one hand, hilarious. So, well, you can always see down there what it's going to be. Chanel Pearl CC chain drop earrings. It's not focusing very well, but actually my address might be on this. Let me pull this open. Yeah, it sure is. So, but you get a receipt and just the usual things. Receipt, picture of the item. Thank you. And then they tell you they want that back. So within a year, and I have used this program, within a year you can sell back an item that you purchased from them for up to 75%. I've gotten 70% so far. I've not reached the 75% threshold. The 2 things I returned, they gave me 70% of my purchase price. And I was very happy with it because there were a couple items I thought I would use that I really ended up not using. So I used for a little bit, but not as much as I thought I was. I'm like, oh, you'll give me back 70%? I'll go ahead and take that. Now, of course, they're going to turn around and sell it, but that's their prerogative. Alrighty. I'll get this open. Here. Business here. Fashion File bag. Everything. Even if your item comes with a dust bag, Fashion File will always include one of theirs. And it's getting a little. Oh yes, I couldn't remember if it came with the box or not, but it does. Yay! So go ahead and set this bad boy down. Open this up. Let me try not to look at the ash. This is the inside. This is just a normal Chanel box. And let's see what these look like. Please be as pretty as they look like online, please. Ooh. They're cute. No, yeah, no, these going back. They're just, they seem more, I don't know, substantial maybe online, or more, I don't know. But yeah, they're okay. They're okay. Yeah, no. And let me make sure there's nothing else in here. Oh yeah, the authenticity card is in here. Usually they attach it to the item, but I guess they didn't have that option this time. So anytime you return something, you have to have that card. And then this is just, I think, a little care booklet. Yeah. So that's nice. You get that little bit of something from the original purchase. But yeah, this is a want. Oh. I mean, that's okay. That's one of the reasons why I am just not doing well today. That I like Fashion File. It's because you can return items at no cost to you. So, with the Real, I order things from them all the time too. But the shipping is $11.95, and the shipping cost to return it is $11.95. So if you ever buy something from them and it turns out, you know, you end up not liking it, you're going to be, you're out of $24. So it's basically, I think of it as it's going to cost you $24 to try on something of theirs. But that's fine because I have access to all of these nice quality clothes, and yeah, that's fine. But with Fashion File, they don't charge you for shipping, and that's for regular old slow shipping. If you want it like express, you can always upgrade and pay the $20 or whatever it is to ship it 2-day air or overnight. But just regular shipping is free. So all you're doing is paying for the cost of the item and taxes. And then if, like in this case, since I'm going to return these earrings because they're really, yeah, they're just not doing it for me. Close up. I mean, they're cute, but that's just, they're a little too cutesy for me. Just thought they were going to be a bit more substantial, but that's okay. I'll be returning these, so y'all see it on the website soon, and maybe you can pick it up because it was a great price. But anyways, they're just too cutesy for me, but I'm going to return it, and I'll just wrap all this back up, return it in the same box. And when I go online to say that I want to return it, I'll be offered the option of using a prepaid return label. Slap that bad boy on this box, return it, and they'll get it within a couple of days, and I get my money within a couple of days. So win-win for me. But yeah, that's it. That's a bummer that these didn't work out, but that's okay. I appreciate your return policy, Fashion File. You'll be getting these soon. All right, y'all. Until next time. Bye.